Hello everyone, welcome to CodeChef. Myself Jola Charas, and today we are going to solve the problem which came into starters 222. The name of the problem is candy types and the problem code is candy type. The difficulty rating of the problem is cakewalk and the prerequisite is ad hoc. Let's start with reading the problem statement over here. So guys, problem says the candies in this universe come in n colors, number 1 to n. You have n candies with you. The ith candy having color AI. You wonder what is the most frequent color among your candies. In case there is a tie, you should print the smaller color among all the most frequent colors. Input format. The first line of input will contain a single integer t denoting the number of test cases. Each test case consists of multiple lines of input. The first line contains a single integer n. The second line contains n integer a1, a2 till a of n. Output format. For each test case, output on a new line the most frequent colors of your candies. Constraint for t lies from 1 to 100, for n lies from 1 to 100, for a of I lies from 1 to n. So guys, now let's understand a sample test case in the question more precisely over here. So guys, this question is very straightforward. It says that the candies in this universe comes in n colors from 1 to n. You have n candies with you. The ith candy having a color a of I. You wonder what is the most frequent color among your candies. In case there is a tie, you should print the smaller color among all the most frequent colors. Okay, now let's take the first test case. This 3, this 1, 2, 3. So all the candy color from 1 to 3 they appear exactly one side. This one is only once. This is only one side. This is one. So yeah, so we should print the smallest one, right? They have all of them have the same frequency. So according to the question, we have to print the smallest one. So smallest one is one, right? According to the value. So output is simply one. Now let's take the second test case, which is 3, 3, 3. Okay, so only candy color 3 appears. So output would be simply 3. Right. So guys, I think that test cases are pretty much clear. Now let's move toward the simple solution. We can calculate a frequency array f of x, the number of times x appears in the A. Then we simply find the index of the maximum element on this array. The frequency array can be created as follows. Let f equal to up till this for x in A, f of x plus y equal to 1. Then the maximum element can be found as follows, like this. We can simply use the pseudocode also as ensure we choose the smallest in case of ties because we only change when it's strictly rather. Simple simulation based solution, guys. Now let's move toward the simple C++ code. So guys, this is my simple C++ code. I took the input for all the test cases as well as my array. Yeah. Uh, Over here, I'm taking the frequency of every element. In this best equal to 1, I initialize. I ran a for loop from I equal to 2 till n and checking f of I is greater than f of best. I mean the best frequency, and accordingly, I'm printing the best. Yeah. And as you can see that guys, I have got my C++ code right. Now let's move towards my Python code. So guys, this is my similar Python code. I took the input for all the test cases as well as my array. I initialize the frequency array where I will be storing the count of the every element frequency. I initialize best equal to 1. I'm running a follow and printing my last answer as best. Yeah, whichever is the value. And as you can see that guys, I've got my Python code right. So guys, I think the solution, the code and the approach is pretty much clear. Now let's meet in the next video. Thank you so much guys for watching our videos.